welcome again to another video. This is just a bonus example. It's not that long. It doesn't require a lot of theory and a fundamental understanding. It's all about using the required formula in this case. Right, so we're given a problem where we are required to find the work, or the work that is required to move a positive 2 microcoulomb charge through a potential difference of 12 volts. So we are given these things, right? Our charge is plus 2 microcoulombs, and we know that this is the same as 2 times 10 to the minus 6 coulombs, right? Okay, my C looks like a bracket, but it's actually a C. Now the voltage, or rather the potential difference, is given to be 12 volts. So like I said, this problem does not necessarily need a lot of thought to it. All you had to remember was this formula, which would have come in handy in a problem like this. So work that is required to move a certain amount of charge through a certain amount of potential difference, or through a specified amount of potential difference, is found using this formula: the charge times the voltage. Then from here, we say 2, we'll just plug in our values, and 12 volts. What this gives us is I get 2.4 times 10 to the power minus 5 joules. Remember, work is given in joules. So since work is a scalar, we won't necessarily need to specify the direction. So this is how you would tackle a question like this one. All right, see you again on the next video.